guys, we are on our way to the airport and today is
28th December 2020, finally ending 2020 on a good note, guys.
Yes, we are trying to end the 2020 on a good note and it's 2:45 a.m. right now. We arrived Dehradun airport and it's so cold here. You're loving the weather. We reached Dehradun, but we're waiting for two of our friends who are arriving from Delhi. This is the Chota Sa waiting area. This is all we got. There is no canteen, nothing. It's 10 degrees Celsius right now, and I'm just wearing a sweatshirt. It's cold, but it's bearable. We are outside the Dehradun airport, and हमारी सारी होशियारी ख़त्म हो चुकी है. हमने टोपी भी पहन ली है, ग्लव्स भी पहन लिए हैं, और जो हमें लग रहा था कि हमें बिल्कुल ठंडी लग रही है, एंड इट्स ऑल बेरेबल. धीरे धीरे ठंड और लग रही है. सो एंड हमारे बाकी दो फ्रेंड्स भी आ चुके हैं, बट सिंस देव कम फ्रॉम दिल्ली, उनको कोविड टेस्ट के लिए रुका लिया गया है. तो वी अगेन जस्ट स्ट्रैंडेड. और लगेज भी ऐसे स्टैंडर्ड पड़ा हुआ है बस.
खुले आसमां में ख्वाबों के परिंदे.
बहुत जोरदार गाए हो तुम.
So we're heading to our hotel, and here we have two other members who've gotten free from their COVID test. Nish, Vatsy.
Hi.
क्या है भैया?
पराठे हैं, आलू प्याजी हैं और पनीर का परोठा है.
So we've come to this restaurant, and ये हमारे ड्राइवर भैया का recommendation है. So let's see how it is. We just stopped our car here, and let's see how the food is. It's 10 a.m. and it's raining over here. Have to have our food inside. So we've reached the resort, and the resort's name is Hillstream Resort, and the place is beautiful. We had to travel a lot to reach here. It's really on the top of the hill, but seems beautiful. Now we are going inside. Our luggage to see how the resort is. It's a stay of 4 days. So it's 5:40 p.m. now, and we just got out of our beds. We went for a 1 hour nap, and now we're leaving the hotel, but it's almost dark. So I think today we won't be able to cover Sahasradhara, the one we thought we would, and we'll have to just cover Indira Market. So Meg is busy getting clicked, not clicking her own pictures, getting clicked. Nish is getting ready. Vatsal is clicking the pictures. I am shooting for the vlog. We had aloo tikki and pani puri from a stall near the market. The market has many chaat stalls. Needless to say, it was super delicious. Hi guys, it's day 2. Date is 29 December.
29 December.
It's 10:30 a.m. We've come here for the breakfast, but the breakfast is not ready. So we're waiting here, and post that we'll wait for half an hour for our vehicles to arrive, and we'll leave for Rishikesh. And the weather went too cold last night. It was 4 degrees Celsius, and This is the view from the restaurant of the hotel that we are staying in, that is Hillstream Resort.
अरे ओ जुम्मा मेरी जाने मन बाहर निकल आज जुम्मा है आज का वादा है देख मैं आ गया तू भी जल्दी आ मुझे न और तड़पा ये तो वापस
क्या कर रही
लात वात का भी असर नहीं हो रहा. अदिति की तरह थोड़ी उठा के पटक सकते हो.
बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है
It's 1:30 p.m. We are heading for lunch. हम रूम में ही रह गए because we were dancing since it's the last week of December. So here's Nisha and Mehak. Post lunch we are heading to Shahsadhara. It's a soothing place with these thin rock lanes to go to the Dhara. You can just visit this place and chill here for an hour. It's 8:15 p.m. We have reached our hotel. It's too cold. It's 5 degrees and it's just too cold. We added 2-3 more layers to our clothing because it's too cold. And we're heading for the bonfire and dinner. Today we went Shahstradhara. So yeah, Shahstradhara was nice, but we didn't go for the cable car. We are already planning to go Missouri for that. Heading for bonfire and dinner. We had our dinner. It was pretty okay. Heading towards the room. Here I end my long due Dehradun vlog. Part 2 is coming soon. Till then, like, share and subscribe. Banka speech.